Okay, time to take a look at the VEVOR carpet sweeper. Okay, so we got instructions, we got a main unit. So this is what's going to be doing all the work. You can see whenever this wheel moves, it's going to be using that brush to pull up whatever's in the carpet. We also have some brushes that are going to protect the wheels to make sure we don't get a lot of buildup on there, so that's good. And on the top, we got this lever. So when we pull that, that opens up these little containers, which will allow you to dump out any of the contents. So very cool. And it looks like the handle is just going to thread right into there. So we just got these tubes and they thread into each other. Looks like that one is the bottom one because it has a slightly different threading. Then on the top, we're not going to have really a thread on there. So what we're going to do is push that on and it kind of clips into place. So that is our handle. And then that whole thing will thread right into the base. Okay. And then this little guy is just a cleaning brush. So in the event you get some buildup in here that doesn't come out easily, you can use this for that. And we can clip that right onto there so we don't lose it. That's good design. So let's see how well this guy works. Wow. So that works surprisingly well. For something that doesn't have a motor on it, if you're worried about like upsetting a pet or something like that, what I'm going to be using this for is just to throw in the shop so that I can use it basically as a broom, but one that I don't have to use a dustpan on. And yeah, that will actually work very well. That is cool. So yeah, I'm happy with that.